Hello, everyone. Welcome to the project kickoff meeting, and thank you for your time and attendance. My name is Jialu, and today I'm going to give you a project proposal on a new product called Smart Tea Vending Machine with mobile apps connectivity. So I believe you all have had a hard copy of the report evaluation. The evaluation report in front of you, and you may go through it and just let me know if there's any question. Cool. So as you all know that our company is pretty big in the coffee industry. As we started our first retail store in 1971 in Seattle, Washington, we have had over 28 retail stores across 77 countries in the world, and we have over 350,000 employees. And we have a lot of our strongest product is coffee, and we also have tea and souvenirs such as the coffee mugs, snacks, and other Starbucks logo stuff. So as an overview of our company's financial situation, in 2017, we have around 22.39 billion US dollars across the world. However, and our stock price is 57 US dollars. However, as in the line chart above, line chart below, you can see that although our price has been increased organically in the last 10 years, is kind of stuck in the range of 50 to 60 US dollars in the past 3 years. So it's kind of interesting that motivate us to think about how to increase our revenue or to stimulate our stock price in order to give confidence to our shareholders. And you can also know that recently our CEO just announced that he will retire from the company and leave from the board soon later this month. It's kind of not a good sign. It's not really a good sign because he has been leading the company for